welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. Right, so today I want to show you a very nice contemporary sounding 736 chord 251. Right, so we're going to be in a very wonderful key today, and that's in the key of G. Right. Alright, so just stay right there. Even if you don't play on this key, I'm going to call the number system. That's one. Then number two, you just stay. You should learn. You learn also by listening. So don't quit. Don't stop watching. All right. So let's do this. All right. So it goes. I'm gonna do this song. Has the wanted for the water so my so my. So long all right. You are the desire how my love to. Right. Okay, so it goes so the progression of the song is has the 1, then the 5, pounded for 6, then the water minor 5, so my to 1, so long after the. So if you're playing chords, that's what you actually play, and I'm sure I've done tutorial on that before. Okay, so right. So but let me show you the one I played, which I want to actually show you. So let's go. So that one goes has the 1 and the 5. Then you do. So this is like a 736. So 1. So this is our 5 is like 7. So we're doing drop twos. So what am I doing here? So on the one that connects also the for like around the 3 to 6. So it goes. So you go from your 7 all the way down to sharp 5, 7 all the way down to flat 6 rather, because we are coming from the we are like running from top to bottom. So so what you do is when you do 7 flatten 7, by the time you get to 6, you hit that. That was actually on your minor third, whatever key you are in, your minor third diminished 7 chord. So that's in the key of G. That's minor third is B flat. So you play B flat diminished 7 chord. So your 6 goes with that, then comes down, right, and then we'll follow this pattern. Depending on how long you can go then to this 6. Okay, so one more time. Has the 1, the right, you can see so I've taught you how to get this in your whatever key you are in. Then you do the water so my so. So that goes like this. So after the 6, so you do this on your 2. So 6 flat 5 3 2 1 7 flatten 7 back to your 9 11 to your 13, then this chord tritone in it. That's in this case we have a C sharp 7 with a 9, right, then to your 4. So one more time it goes faster, slow. So if I were you, I'll just pick the notes. Okay, what's this? This flattened 7, this third, this sharp 5. What's the bass line? The bass line is what's it called? Raised 4th. You just pick that and you can use that to find the chords on other keys, right? So one more time. You do a 3, 6. I'm using MIDI screen so you can easily pause and pick the chords. All right. You are, and then you continue the song again. Right, I hope you're getting something. Right, so God bless you. So, and don't forget to click the subscribe button and then also join the channel membership for special perks. Yeah, those are people who support the channel. All right, so with a little token, and they get special perks also for doing that. So do that for me, and I'm going to do good for you too. Yeah, some special extra additional goods. God bless you. All right. You are God bless you. Bye.